In today's video, we are diving into an intriguing topic that has sparked a lot of discussion and curiosity. Can Andrew Tate's real-world program make you a millionaire? We'll explore both opinions and facts surrounding this controversial program. So, let's get started. Andrew's supporters argue that the program offers valuable insights and techniques to develop a millionaire mindset. They claim that it provides a roadmap to financial success by teaching strategies for entrepreneurship, building multiple income streams, and leveraging personal strength. On the other hand, critics question the program's effectiveness and credibility. They argue that success cannot be guaranteed solely through a program, and that individual effort, determination, and adaptability are crucial factors. They raise concerns about the program's high price tag, and the lack of verifiable success stories from program participants. Now, let's delve into the facts. While Andrew Tate has achieved success as a professional kickboxer and entrepreneur, it's important to note that success in one field does not necessarily translate to expertise in teaching others how to become millionaires. When examining the program, it's crucial to research and analyze customer reviews, testimonials, and case studies. Look for evidence of individuals who have applied the program's principles and achieved significant financial success. Additionally, consider the feedback from experts in the field of personal development and entrepreneurship. To gain further insight, I invited Mr. Julio Fernandez, an expert in entrepreneurship and personal development, to share their perspective on Andrew Tate's real-world program.
Thank you for having me. While I believe that Andrew Tate's program may offer valuable advice and motivation, it's important to approach it with a critical mindset. Becoming a millionaire involves various factors, such as market conditions, timing, networking, and adaptability. No single program can guarantee millionaire status without considering these elements.
Exactly. Achieving financial success requires a combination of knowledge, skills, perseverance, and a willingness to adapt to changing circumstances. While a program can provide guidance, it ultimately comes down to your actions and dedication to achieving your goals. In conclusion, whether Andrew Tate's real-world program can make you a millionaire is a subjective matter. It's essential to consider both opinions and facts, conduct thorough research, and maintain a realistic perspective on the journey to financial success. Remember, no program can guarantee wealth without your active participation and commitment. Stay informed, explore various resources, and develop a well-rounded approach to personal and financial growth. What are your thoughts on Andrew Tate's real-world program? Share your opinions and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more thought-provoking content.